The Sengema 7 kg clothes drying machine is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their laundry routine. With its double sterilization feature and advanced filtration system, it not only dries clothes efficiently but also ensures they are hygienically clean. The intelligent timing reservation function allows for convenient scheduling, making it perfect for busy households. Plus, you can snag this fantastic dryer at an incredible discount of up to 70% off. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check the link in the description or comments to grab yours today.